The routing table. What is a routing table? A database stored in a router's RAM that lets passes to networks. Think of it as router's travel itinerary for packets. Route types, static routes, and dynamic routes. Static routes manually configured, but dynamic routes learned via protocol like OSPF, which is Open Short Pass First, EIGRP, Enhanced Interior Gateway Routing Protocol, and BGP, which is Border Gateway Protocol. We use static routes for small networks and backup routes, but we use dynamic routes for large and changing networks. The longest prefix match rule. How routers choose paths. When multiple routes match a destination, the router picks the one with the longest subnet mask, most specific path. Example, route number 1, which is that, and route number 2. Route number 1, like someone tell you, go to New York State. And route number 2, which is go to Manhattan. Where route decide to select destination, actually choose the specific one, like router number 2, route number 2. Okay. Creative scenario. It's like mailing a letter, sending to 123 Main Street, New York City. Specific bits USA route. Troubleshooting challenge. Why cannot the router reach to this IP? Okay, go think about it. Think of a router like a delivery driver trying to find an address. In this case, this IP is the destination neighborhood. We have two challenges here, close and fix. Close because there is no entry in the routing table and no default route. No entry in the routing table. That's like the delivery driver looking at their GPS and, oh no, the address isn't listed in the directions at all. The driver has no idea how to reach that neighborhood. No default route we default into it. Normally, if the GPS doesn't know the exact route, it sends the driver to a main office for help. That's what a default route is. But in this case, no main office is there, no help at all. The driver just sits there, confused. How to fix it? We can add a static route or enable dynamic routing. Adding a static route, like writing down a custom set of directions for that exact neighborhood. Enable dynamic routing, like turning on auto updating GPS that learns new routes by talking to the other routers. Future trends, AI and automation. Self-healing networks. AI adjusts routes in real time during outages. Intent-based routing. I want VIP traffic on the fastest path. System auto configuration.